In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio files to Patreon. Whether you're sharing a podcast episode, a behind-the-scenes voice note, or a music demo, I'll walk you through the process so your patrons can listen with ease. Start by logging into your Patreon account. Use your preferred browser, make sure you're signed in as a creator, and head to your creator home. If you manage more than one page, double-check you're on the correct creator profile so the post lands where you expect. Next, look for the Create Post button on your dashboard. The exact placement can vary slightly with design updates, but it's usually prominent at the top or along the left side. Clicking it opens a new post window where you choose the type of content you want to share. Select audio as the post type. This tells Patreon to prepare its built-in audio player, which makes playback smooth on both desktop and mobile. Choosing audio also helps Patreon display the right controls, like play, pause, and scrub, so your listeners have a familiar experience. Now click Upload and choose your audio file from your computer. You can usually drag and drop the file into the window as well. Stick to common formats like MP3 or UWave for best compatibility. Larger files may take a bit to process, so give it a moment. If the upload stalls, check your internet connection and consider exporting a slightly smaller file or a more compressed format without sacrificing too much quality. Once your file is in, add a clear title and a helpful description. Think of the title as the headline your patrons will see first. Make it specific, like including episode numbers or themes. In the description, include context, key topics, guest names if applicable, and any links or resources you mentioned. Timestamps can be a nice touch for longer recordings, helping listeners jump to the parts they care about most. Choose which membership tiers can access the post. This is where you control exclusivity. You can make the audio available to all paying patrons or reserve it for specific tiers if it's premium content. Be consistent with your benefits so patrons know exactly what they're getting at each level. When everything looks good, click Publish. Patreon will process the audio and make it live for the tiers you selected. Your patrons can now stream it directly in their feed and on mobile. If you spot something you want to tweak later, like the description or the eligible tiers, you can edit the post after publishing. That's it, you've successfully uploaded an audio file to Patreon.